This instructional video will show how to add paper to the Kyocera P5026 printer. Pull the cassette tray out of the machine. The cassette tray, sometimes referred to as Cassette 1, is the tray at the bottom of the printer. The cassette is set for letter-size paper at the factory. If you're using legal, folio, or officio 2 paper, resize the cassette by pushing this lever forward to extend the cassette. Remove the paper from its packaging. Fan the paper to separate the sheets. Tap the paper stack on a flat surface to square up the pages. Load the paper by sliding the end of the paper stack toward the rear of the cassette. Push the front edge of the paper down into the cassette tray. Ensure that the paper is resting below these guides. Gently slide the tray all the way into the printer. If legal, folio, or officio 2 paper is used, the cassette will extend out from the machine. This printer can print onto a large variety of paper types, for example, plain and pre-printed paper. A full list of supported paper types and sizes can be found in the P5026cdw operation guide. To ensure that you get the highest quality of printing, it is important that the printer is configured for the type of paper you are using. The machine is set at the factory for standard plain paper. If you intend to use a different type of paper, you must set the paper type and/or size in the Paper Settings menu. On the display screen, press the menu key. Using the arrows, scroll up or down to locate Paper Settings. Press the right arrow key. If you put in paper that is a different size than letter, scroll up or down to locate cassette size. Press the OK key. You'll see a flashing question mark. Scroll through the list using the up or down arrow key to find the correct size of paper. Press OK to set the paper size. If you are using a paper type other than plain, scroll through the list to locate cassette type. Press the OK key. A question mark will appear. Scroll through the list to locate the type of paper in the cassette and press OK. Press the menu key to exit.